Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today in the bakery we're going to be making an Orange Aero crunch, and this is a special one just for Christmas. Please subscribe and share to my channel. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. Right guys, the first job we do, put your biscuits into a plastic bag. Right, now what we're going to do is give this a good smash up. That's it. You put them back into the bowl. Right, now we're going to melt down the chocolate, the golden syrup, and the butter. So we can just whack it all straight in together. I'm going to microwave that first because it's gone solid. Right, pour that in. Now we're going to microwave all this together now. Right, that's ready. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add in the biscuits. Just like this. It's almost like doing a cheesecake base. Right, now we get our tray. This is a 30 by 40 centimetre tray. And our baking paper. Just pop that on. Now we just pop all the content of this onto the top. And this is where the fun goes. Oh, spread that out a bit. Pop that over there. Now, what we want to do now, guys, is roll it out. So you're covering the base. You just need to make sure you cover it right out to the edges. It's a messy job. Ah. It's like when your kid's playing in the mud. Another trick, guys, put your bit of water over your rolling pin. This also helps to roll out. like that. And there we go, guys. Now we're going to go and pop that into a fridge. Right, we'll get the caramel into the microwave now. I just got the base out the fridge, so it's all nice and solid. And now with these Aero bars, what you need to do is be cutting them open. You can put on as much as you like, really. Get yourself a pot and just break it all up. You don't want to go too small. Well, it doesn't matter really, that's down to you. But I like to leave them in sort of fairly big chunks. Now with the caramel, you can either buy it or you can make it yourself. I will put a recipe for the caramel under the video with the rest of it, but I haven't actually made a video of making the caramel as yet, but that will be another video which will come along sooner or later. With the caramel, you want to really get it piping hot. It'll make it easier to run out on the tray. That's fine. And then you just get all your bits and chuck them on the top. You can put as much as you like on. Right, now we'll go and pop that into the fridge. Right, we'll get our chocolate into a microwave. Remember, the best way of doing your chocolate is on a hob with some water underneath it. Microwaves are really good, but you've really got to keep an eye on it. I just got the base out the fridge. Right, that's ready, guys. What we do, is pour it straight over the top, and then we move it around over the tray, like this. So it runs into all those little cracks and crannies. What we do, guys, is just cover the top with Orange Aero grated. Right, we'll pop that into the fridge. Right, we've just got the orange one out the fridge. Right, now we're going to be cutting them up. You want 20 pieces out of this. So the first thing we do is just take off the edges. That. And then we're gonna, a good thing guys, have a wet cloth with you and just to wipe off the stickiness. 4 by 5. If you find it a bit hard, get yourself a good sharp knife and use that one. But don't cut your fingers. I talk about children cutting their fingers, but believe me, I think us older ones, we always seem to cut our fingers. And by now, we ought to know where the end of the blade is. That's better. Nice. There you go, guys. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Do check out the description below for your recipe and please subscribe and share. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!